Hello YouTube, GolferKid17 here. Do you have an iPod Touch that will not turn on, such as mine? If you jailbroke it and it won't turn on because you tried the logo thing like I did, or you tried something else and it won't turn on, you can try resetting it by holding the top button for 5 seconds. Hold the top button and the home button for 10 seconds, then release the power button, hold the home button for 5 seconds. It should bring up the symbol that came when you first turned on your iPod. If not, like mine, that doesn't work, you have two other options. One, you can plug it in the computer and hope that it comes up for recovery mode. Your second option would be to probably call the Apple support. Now, I know you really don't want to do this because you probably jailbroke it and they won't fix it if you jailbreak it. Well, I jailbroke mine, but I called them and asked them if they could fix it. They said, "Have you jailbroke it before? Is that why it's not turning on?" If you have, you tell them no. Because if you tell them you have, they'll say, "We can do nothing about it because it's not our files." So you can contact them at their number. Their number is 1-800-APL-CARE, C-A-R-E. If you need that, the link will be in the description. The number will be in the description. Otherwise, you can go to apple.com/support/iPod techniques and everything. I'll have that link in the description too, and you'll need the serial number, which is right below. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of hard. Right below the memory, right there. Right below the memory. Mine's 16 gigabytes. Yours might be 8 or 32. So, yeah. So, I hope that works for you. If not, leave me a video response, and I'll come out with new ways on how to fix it, because I will find ways. I'll be coming out with more videos when I get my new iPod. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching YouTube. See ya.